Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the visual frame. Set your slide size and master now so every slide follows the same rules. Once done, pick one primary font and a single accent to avoid visual noise, and establish a clear grid so content aligns. Make a master slide with logo, footer, and placeholders for headlines and body text, because that saves time and enforces consistency across the deck. Now, add one or two key color swatches to the master, so contrast and hierarchy are already solved. You now craft the heart of the presentation. Content slides that deliver. Use one short headline and 3 to 5 bullets per slide, and keep body text no smaller than 18 points so it reads in a room. When adding photos, apply a subtle overlay at 40 to 60% so text stays legible. Make sure captions are concise. Once you standardize iconography and callout sizes, each slide reads faster, and your audience follows the narrative without extra explanation. You finish by polishing and validating. Proofread, run accessibility contrast checks, and test every link and embedded media. Once done, export a PDF for distribution and keep the native file for edits. This prevents formatting surprises on other systems. If animations or embedded videos fail during playback, simplify to basic fades and check timing, because complex sequences often break in different players. Finally, preview in present mode and rehearse transitions so your delivery matches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.